The question of whether crypto will replace the stock market is one that's been buzzing around for years, and honestly, it's a fascinating topic. Let's dive into it. First, we need to understand what we mean by crypto and the stock market. The stock market has been the backbone of investment for centuries, providing a platform for companies to raise capital and for investors to buy a piece of that growth. It's regulated, structured, and for the most part, predictable. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, digital assets that operate on blockchain technology. They're volatile, often unpredictable, and have a much shorter history. Now, can crypto actually replace the stock market? It's a complex question. One of the biggest advantages of crypto is its accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can invest in cryptocurrencies, breaking down barriers that traditional stock markets have. You don't need a broker, and you can trade 24/7. This democratization of finance is revolutionary. However, the volatility of crypto is a double-edged sword. While the potential for massive returns is enticing, the risk of significant losses is equally high. The stock market, with its historical data and regulatory oversight, offers a level of stability that crypto currently lacks. Investors often seek security, and that's where traditional stocks shine. Let's talk about the technology behind crypto. Blockchain is a game changer. It offers transparency and security that can revolutionize how we think about ownership and transactions. Imagine a world where you can own a fraction of a company or even a piece of art through tokenization. This could lead to a more liquid and accessible market for all kinds of assets. But here's the catch: regulation. The stock market is heavily regulated to protect investors and maintain fair practices. Crypto, while innovative, often operates in a gray area. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate it. Until there's a clear framework, many investors may hesitate to fully embrace crypto as a replacement for stocks. Moreover, let's not forget the psychological aspect of investing. Stocks have a long-standing history and a track record that many investors trust. Crypto, on the other hand, is still seen by many as speculative. It's hard to shake off the image of crypto as a fad when you hear stories of people losing their life savings overnight. So will crypto replace the stock market? It's unlikely in the near future. Instead, we might see a coexistence where both markets evolve. Traditional investors are starting to dip their toes into crypto, and as technology advances, we could see more integration between the two. In conclusion, while crypto presents exciting opportunities and challenges, it's not a straightforward replacement for the stock market. It's a new frontier that investors should explore, but with caution. Balancing the potential of crypto with the stability of traditional investments might just be the key to navigating this evolving landscape.